What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Omega Greed YouTube channel, where we do a whole bunch of fun things with cars and we learn how to work on all the cars together. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jeffrey. We do videos Dodge Challenger RT, Hyundai Veloster, Miata, and the Jeep Grand Cherokee. But speaking of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, today we're going to be giving you guys a good update on just all the stuff that's going on with the channel. There's going to be some changes. There's going to be a couple things that are going to be a little bit different going forward. So don't worry. I'm not changing up everything. I'm still going to be doing car videos. That's, primarily what my whole channel is about. Doing videos on the cars, giving you guys kind of the real, up to date, what's it like living with all these different type of vehicles, and also learning to work on the cars and doing more and more stuff with the cars, and actually just getting a little bit more out of the ownership experience of having the different cars. I talked about this inside one of my last videos, I believe, with the Jeep. At this moment in time, hopefully the Jeep should be sold. I do have I've actually had a couple, well, more than a couple. I've actually had a good amount of people that were interested inside the Jeep. So I did list it for sale, I believe, for a fair price. I had a couple people that were interested in it. On a quick side note, I forgot how stressful it is to sell a vehicle, just because of, you're getting messages from people all over the place, and some people, you don't really know how serious some people are. Some people are real serious, some people aren't that serious. But I don't know, it's been kind of a stressful couple of days. But 100% the Jeep should be sold. Hopefully, knock on wood, about time you guys see this video, the Jeep should be sold. But with that in mind, so now the Jeep, I'm selling the Jeep mostly because I have my eye on something else. And I gotta be honest with you guys, the Jeep, I still love it. I still love it. And I don't know, even looking at it, I drove it to work I think 2 days ago. Yeah, no, actually, I believe that was yesterday. I drove it to work again, and I forgot how much fun it is. So I'm going to miss the Jeep. I think it's a great vehicle. It got me through all of winter, and I really had just a ton of fun with it. But when it came down to it, at the end of the day, I did buy it to be the winter vehicle. I bought it to make YouTube videos on, and I bought it to, do off-roading stuff. And then at the end of the day, I didn't do as much off-roading as what I wanted to do, just because of all the areas around me. They're kind of far to even get to, and a lot of places right now, to even go inside one of the off-roading parks, you got to pay. But everything going on with COVID, it seemed like I wasn't using the vehicle for what it really was meant to be used for. So I figured this is a good time, at least right now. I'm going to just sell it. I still love it, but I don't want to just hoard on to stuff that just be, if I'm not going to really use it for its full capabilities. Right now, since I have the Miata, I've been kind of changing shifting my mindset towards more doing stuff with the Miata. So the Jeep is just kind of taking up room, and it's just time to let it go. I do have my eye on something that's going to be replacing the Jeep, and I'm not going to say much about that, but yeah, there is going to be, we're going to see, I'm going to go look at another car as well. We'll see what happens. We're going to have, it'll be a different change of pace, though. We will see what's going to happen with that. But yeah, I wanted to check in with you guys, let you guys know. So yeah, the Jeep, it should be sold. I still love it. And I know, honestly, the more I think about it, the more I'm I really do like it a lot. It's just a really fun vehicle. It really is. But I'm not using it as much, you know what I mean? I can only drive one car. So I can only drive one car at any point in time. It's not I have a room for a million different cars. If we had a giant barnyard, yeah, I would probably legitimately have 7-8 different cars, even if they weren't all on the road at the same time, just to have them. But I don't know, I digress. But I want to give you guys a update on that. So the Jeep should be sold. Should be something else coming to the channel, hopefully relatively soon. We will see how this goes. That's all I'm going to say on that for right now. But if it does come, I think you guys are going to really, really enjoy it. It'll be something really cool. And then just a quick another update with the Veloster N. We did the mud flaps for the Veloster N. We didn't install them just because we ordered the cheap ones. We wanted to see how they look. and I don't know if we're gonna put those on. Just being honest with you guys, don't know if we're gonna put those on the car. I think we're gonna actually get the real and the rally yard ones. We did think it would be kind of cool to like get the cheaper ones just to like see how they were, do a video on it, and just if you guys are interested in like knowing like should you buy like the better brand ones or just buying like the cheaper ones off of like Amazon or something like that. This one I'm not sure. It might be better just getting the real one, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so that's a quick update. There's going to be a ton more stuff coming to the channel. I'm really excited because like my enthusiasm has just came back like full swing, just because I know like there's opportunity to do something really cool, and we will see. I think you guys will really enjoy it. I think you guys will really like it if everything works out, but we're gonna see. And but yeah, so that's pretty much it. But I want to give you guys a quick update. Stay subscribed to the channel if you want to know more about what's going to be happening sooner. I'm going to be posting on my Instagram. I always have a link down below, same name as the YouTube channel, OmegaGreed. So if you want to check that out, you can check that out. I always post stuff on there earlier, typically speaking. But like that, I'm going to end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Comment down below. What is your favorite memories with the Jeep Grand Cherokee? And what do you think might be the replacement for it? Because I want to know, what do you guys think? You guys probably have no idea, but let me know, what do you guys think? But like that, guys, we're out of here, and we will see you in the next video when we have more information and just more stuff going on with the channel. All right, see you guys.